I wanted to explore using pen with watercolors. So for this tutorial, I first found this reference image on Pinterest. I started with outlining and I used a micron pen of 0.05 nib size. The background I'm painting with light washes of black. I started painting the house with vertical strokes using 000 size brush. After that, I added the finer details with the micron pen again. For the rock formations, I used brown and black, and I left space between the strokes for the highlights. For the reflection, I've diluted the paint some more and I'm using very light uneven strokes to give the effect of reflection in water. Hope you enjoyed this video and a very happy Earth Day to all of you.